How fortunate North Carolina World Trade Association is today with Suresh Kumar. Just happened to be in the area. We found out a few weeks ago our Global Innovation Summit Series and Expo and Conference launched today. He was able to join us and help us kick this initiative off. The initiative is about innovation. It is about North Carolina becoming more innovative. It is about working with private industry and the government sectors working together and collaborating and determining what we need to do in this state to progress this agenda of exports and grow jobs in the state of North Carolina. There's so much opportunity. And our TP area is perfect to talk about innovation, but the rest of North Carolina has to be considered too. Charlotte, the Triad, the Wilmington area, the outlying communities, we need to drive this innovation and ideas into the school system, into our industries, into the entrepreneurial initiatives. I'm an entrepreneur at heart. I'm from North Carolina. I want to see this agenda move forward successfully. So over the next 5 years, we will be doing one a quarter event, a very major summit with these kinds of speakers. We will be doing collaborating in the room. We'll generate ideas. We will move this agenda forward and be the action people that help bring companies these ideas and to help them move forward. So we're thrilled.